We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a simple pineapple cake with a cream cheese frosting. And here are our ingredients. Okay, today is my daughter Amanda's birthday, and me and her daughter Chesa. Chesa, you want to tell everybody hello?
Hello, everyone.
We're in the kitchen today. We're making her a birthday cake, a pineapple birthday cake. And so I wanted to share this. And so we're trying this for the first time. And I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Okay, Chesa, let's get started.
Let's get started.
All right. In this large bowl, we're adding our sugar, baking soda, and our salt. And we're going to mix this all together. And now we're adding in our flour. Now we're blending all our dry ingredients together. Chesa is doing a wonderful job, isn't she? Now we're adding in our wet ingredients. We're adding in our crushed pineapples, eggs, and our vanilla extract. And we're mixing all these ingredients together. Letting you know you can use a mixer with this recipe, or you do not have to. Since we already had our mixer out, we decided to show you that you can use a mixer. Just make sure all your ingredients are mixed in well together. Here we're spraying down our pan with a, this is a flour spray. And so we're spraying down this as best as we can because we don't want our cake to stick. So just spray down your sides and your bottom really well. Now we're pouring in our batter into our baking dish. Make sure to spread it as even as possible. Sometimes I slightly shake the batter in the pan, then this would help get it even as well. And so we're going to place this in a 325-degree oven for maybe 35 to 40 minutes. And then we're going to be back. Okay, our cake have baked, and we're going to let this cake completely cool. While it is cooling, we're going to make our sauce. Here we're adding our cream into our saucepan. Now we're adding our butter, vanilla extract, and now our sugar. And we're going to mix this together. And we're going to boil this. We're going to let this get to a complete boil, and to make sure that all your sugar has melted into this sauce. I'm going to boil this on a medium-high heat. So try not to have it on high because it could boil over or burn. As you can see that our ingredients are melting, the sugar is melting real good. So we're going to continue to stir this until it gets to a complete boil. Okay, this is the boil that we're looking for, and we're going to turn off our heat and we're going to set this aside. Okay, now it's time to make our frosting. Here we have some cream cheese, we have some butter, we want our butter to be softened, and we have some powdered sugar, and we have some vanilla extract. And these are our only ingredients. If you don't want this type of frosting, you can frost this with whatever type of frosting that you prefer. Here we're adding in our powdered sugar, our softened butter, room temperature cream cheese. I'm breaking this up so it will be able to, mix better. Here I'm using our hand mixer to mix all our ingredients together. This is such an easy frosting to make. If you love cream cheese, this is such an easy frosting to make. As you can see, the mixer blades are tackling this cream cheese quite a bit. So just be careful with this, and it'll soon all come together. Here we're adding in our vanilla extract, and we're going to continue to mix until our frosting becomes smooth. Next time when I make this frosting, I'm going to add some pineapple juice instead of the butter, and I know it will be so delicious. And maybe even some crushed pineapples, which I had left over, and so I could have added some of those to this frosting. Just make this recipe yours. I had a visitor to come in and asked about the frosting, so I gave him one of the beaters. So y'all say hello to Teddy. Okay, while Chesa is poking the holes in the cake with a fork, I am reheating our sauce up so we can pour it over our cake. Okay, since our cake has cooled and Chesa had poked holes in it, now it's time for us to pour on our sauce. Y'all, my grandkids enjoyed this cake. This cake was so delicious. Okay, when she get finished pouring this on, we're going to let this set, and then it's ready to serve. But we're going to add our cream cheese frosting to ours. Okay, y'all, we have let this sit for a little bit. Now Chesa is adding on our frosting. And just spread this as best as you can. What we usually do, we start from the middle and then we spread it on out, but it's up to you on how you want to spread yours. Here Chesa is going around the corners to make sure that each corner is frosted real good. And here we are fancying up our cake best as we can, and you do the same. Chesa and I really enjoy spending some time in the kitchen together. And Chesa has a cake, a little simple cake that she want to share with you all one day. But me and her really had fun in the kitchen that day. Okay, we're going to finish fancying up our cake and we're going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, here's our cake. This is our first time making this cake and we didn't know what to look for. This was so delicious, and the family enjoyed it. The kids enjoyed it. They came back for more, and we really had a good time for Amanda's birthday. And so I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day, and bye for now. Love y'all, stay safe and be blessed, and remember to encourage somebody on today.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit.